had so many years of studying and focusing on our jobs and developing a career, so we postponed having children. Then we have also struggled for a few, more than 10 years to do that. Unfortunately, we had some miscarriages, some failed attempts. So finally we decided to come to IVI Valencia because a friend of ours recommended us to, and we really trust the team here. So we had a call to IVI Valencia. We established the first consultation, which was in July 2019. And everything went very smoothly, actually much easier than we expected to. We only had to book our plane tickets and find accommodation, and we were here. In first consultation, the administrative team answered all our questions and filled the forms with plenty of medical details. And we were quite impressed because nobody before took so much time and paid so much attention in finding all the relevant medical details about our case.
Actually, everybody thinks it's special. Everybody thinks that their case is special. But let's face it, some medical cases are more complex than the others. And we feel that IVI Clinic is managing very well even the very complicated ones, not the very standard ones, because some clinics are just focused on standard procedures and they don't go the extra mile in order to find and solve difficult cases. So that's why we felt that IVI Clinic might have solutions even for us.
Also, the Spanish legislation allows for much more options than in other countries. So actually we can choose to have like an artificial insemination or an IVF, or if it's the case, you can also have like an egg donation or a semen donation according to the case.
The best thing is that we have a lot of options in IVI Clinic. It was just our call, which one we should take, and I think with the support of the medical team, we took the right decisions.
I came here for a very performing test, like for the endometrium, which is not available anywhere. And in order to make sure everything is all right before the procedure, and I took the medicines, I bought the medicines here in Spain in order to make sure I have them when I need them. And well, that was it. And afterwards we kept in touch with the call center, which is really great. I mean, very nice professionals from also a professional and a personal point of view, because I called them so many times. They were always available for me. Even if the line was busy, they phoned me back. So I'm really grateful for the team, the medical and the administrative one. We had a coordinator from the very beginning who attended us with all the details, so made the process much easier. And also we have an account on the portal IVI online with all the information we must know at all times. Also, when I had some doubts, some questions to ask, I was able to ask this coordinator and the team at the call center, who kept in touch both with me and with the medical team. So we are here now for our third time. We are ready for the transfer. And even if we could fly actually the next day after the transfer, we decided to take a little bit more time and enjoy, in discovering some other touristic attractions in Valencia.
We heard that stress is not helping that much, so we decided to cut on stress. So we are trying to enjoy the city, the seaside, and make everything smoother.